pondered how your favorite applications like Netflix or Instagram operate so smoothly? The secret lies in the realm of cloud computing. This innovative technology allows businesses to store and access their data over the internet, rather than on local storage or personal computers. Imagine having a massive, invisible hard drive floating in the sky, accessible anytime, anywhere. That's cloud computing for you. But it's not just about storage. It offers scalability, allowing businesses to easily expand or reduce their storage space as per their needs. It's flexible, enabling users to access data and applications from any device with an internet connection. And it's cost-effective, saving businesses from investing in expensive hardware and maintenance. This trifecta of scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness makes cloud computing a popular choice for businesses, big and small. So, now that we've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of cloud computing, let's delve deeper into the major players in this field. When it comes to cloud service providers, two names dominate the market: Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. These titans of cloud computing each bring unique strengths to the table. Let's start with AWS. Launched by retail giant Amazon, AWS boasts an extensive service offering that caters to a wide range of business needs. From data storage to content delivery, AWS provides tools and services that are scalable, reliable, and highly secure. Additionally, AWS's global reach is unparalleled, with data centers located in regions all around the world. On the other side of the ring, we have Microsoft Azure. Azure benefits greatly from its deep integration with Microsoft's suite of products. This makes it a natural choice for businesses already invested in Microsoft's ecosystem. Furthermore, Azure is known for its robust support for hybrid cloud configurations, allowing businesses to seamlessly blend on-premises and cloud resources. However, where these two truly differ is in their pricing models. AWS charges on a pay-as-you-go basis, meaning you only pay for what you use. Azure, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive subscription model with several tiers to choose from. So which is the better choice? Well, it's not a simple answer. The best cloud service provider depends on many factors, including your specific business needs, budget, and technical requirements. While AWS and Azure lead the cloud market, choosing between them depends on your business needs, budget, and technical requirements. As we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned about cloud computing and its major providers. Cloud computing offers us powerful tools to store and process data, and it's revolutionizing how we work. We've also looked at AWS and Azure, two titans of this field. Each has its strengths, and the choice between them truly depends on your specific needs. Cloud computing, with its endless possibilities, is undoubtedly changing the way we live and work. And remember, whether you choose AWS or Azure, you're stepping into a world of limitless potential.